Hello and welcome to Ruchi's Town. So I have a package here from India. I basically know what the main item is, but the rest of the items are going to be a surprise to me too. I'm going to unbox it, and I thought I will share this video with you all. And at the end of this video, I have some experience on how this box was couriered from India and the services that we used. So come, let's see what are there in this.
So we have the mixture, more mixture, more nippattu. This is kodbale, more kodbale. Are ready to open a shop?
Yes,
This is chakli. This is chips.
it will be called
This
Ruchi.
is kodbale. This is moong dal.
Oh yeah, I like this.
And murku,
Murukku.
nippattu, murku, mixture, more mixture.
Oh, that's a lot of mixture.
Then I have kodbale, nippattu, nippattu, more nippattu.
It's a lot.
kodbale. Now, okay, this is like non-stop coming up.
Yeah.
More murku, kodbale. We have more murku.
More Murukku. Murukku for
More
years.
kodbale.
This is going to last until the end of the year.
And surprise!
Right? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Oops. 8.
Keep it here. This is some sweet.
I think it's Buffy.
Oh, it's some kind of siridhanya laddu. This is millets laddu. Interesting. Then we have ragi flour. Oh,
I like it.
one more ragi flour.
2 hours later.
The main purpose of this was this mixie.
And so many impulse buys.
Plus the bonus.
Let
So that is all we have.
It's a big box. This just came up. I didn't know what was in it. I thought it was medicine or something. I don't know what it is. Not expecting this first round.
Many of you who are looking at this would be wondering, why would I get a mixie from India? At least carrying a mixie from India is different thing. Getting a courier with a mixie is something different, right? So I looked up for a mixie here. I had this Preeti Steel many years ago, which we had given away. So I just had the jar. I wanted a same mixie here. I was comfortable with it. But when I looked up online, the price was around $160 or $165 online. Like this same 110 watts same model mixie in India cost around 6,000 rupees. So if I get a courier paying the same amount as in dollars that I'm paying for the mixie, I could get other stuff also that I could have put in that and get it. So that's the reason I kind of thought it would be like almost like a break even or a little high, but I can get a lot of things. That's the reason I chose to get this courier from India. And the courier it was around 10 or 12 kgs. It costed around 6 or 7,000 rupees to get from Bangalore to Boston here. It actually came on Monday. It was sent on Wednesday evening or Thursday. It had reached Boston, but then from Boston to get it to Rhode Island, they kept it there on hold for 3 days and then only sent it. Right in the starting itself, they had told us it is a 1 week delivery and it is not like a 3 days delivery like earlier. because of the pandemic situation. So after 7 days, exactly 1 week, I got the courier and it came in perfect condition. Just the mixie was with a bubble wrap in the bottom, and if otherwise, rest all had single layered cover only, not even like how we pack while we come in the flight. It was just a single layered cover and everything came intact to me. So in case anyone wanted to get some stuff, this is definitely useful. We use the Garuda Vega service basically. Yeah, it was kind of worth it. Getting something from India is like always a happy thing, especially during this time when we couldn't go to India and we are craving for many of this stuff. This is a perfect thing, I thought. Hope this video helps you in some other way. If you have any doubts, you could write in the comments below. See you. Bye.